although many languages are present in our software. In if any language is not present, you can follow the instruction. Now we have added the TND currency. It is present now, showing it here. We can add it here. We can put our correct time zone here, and we save the settings. So we can also do some settings. One of my favorite theme color is uh, black, and we update it. So the black color, look at this our currency is changed, and we have a successful installation. And if any question on your side, you can ask, feel free to ask any question from our representative of Apply Services. And you can do many things in our software. These are the profit loss report, tax report, stock report, trending products, items, and item wise report, products report. Let me add a one product with the one category. Okay, let me add a category. For example, I'm showing you. You will go to the categories and you will add category. For example, I have a category of charger. I add a category. I also have a subcategory of Samsung charger. It is a subcategory, and this is the parent category, and we save it. We close this, we don't need it. We close this, we don't need it, and we go home. So there is a two places we can add our products. The first place is we'll list product here. There is no products looking here. Now we add a product. We download any charger picture, image. For example, this Samsung charger. This is a big size image. We take it just smaller size, as this is smaller size, because we don't want to load the software, you know. Its name is charger, and the Samsung charger. If there is any barcode, you can type here. If there is no barcode of this product, you don't just have to leave it. We will select our unit. We will select our category. Our subcategory is Samsung charger. And yes, we want to manage our stock. Yes, if any item less than 10, it will alert me. And we put our picture here, like charger. We go down, and here we will put our purchase price. Like our purchase price is 100 and our sale price is 150, so there is a 50% profit margin. It's showing here. If we apply tax, we have to first add the tax, then we have apply. If we don't have a tax, just leave it. And first, you know, if I have a shop and I have 100 stock already in our the charger stock, we will add opening stock. I have quantity 100, and I save it. Yes, the charger is placed. Then you will click here, right click, open in a new tab. Some clients do not open in a new tab, and they go back again and again, facing trouble. Then you just simply open in a new tab. It is showing that how much cash in your drawer. I just check my drawer, and there is only a 20 TND currency present in our drawer. I will open my register. So here is you are looking, the charger is present here, and when you make a bill you will click here, and we can also for example, if any customer saying you that if you want to increase the rate on the screen, you just have to simply go to business settings, just type here the enable inline text in purchase and sales, refresh. Yes, now we can add a lower price. We can also sell it 140, we can also sell it 160. Okay, so someone is giving me a 500. For example, he is giving me a 500. I will just type 500, just okay. There is 340 TND. We have to return this amount to the customer. We just have to finalize payment. It will show us a receipt of this, that is a good looking receipt. We can also check it on our thermal size. It is not looking good in thermal size. How we did fix that? We have to set our invoice template from the invoice settings. So there is a 5 types of templates. You can check every template which is better, which suits your business, which meets your business requirement. So I'd select this slim invoice and I go down, and there is also a much more functions. We can set our invoice. For example, we want to show a salesperson name on the invoice. We don't want to show landmark number, city, state, country. And we can also put here like a shop number 123, road 123, area, country, here control A, and center control B, and just going down. And you can also type here at the footer of the invoice, thanks for taking our services, control A, B, center, and update. You can also do much more settings in the invoice settings, and I'm just giving you an example. Where is our previous invoice? On the screen, you just go here, click here, this is our previous invoice. You just print. I want to check our last invoice. Yes, now it is looking correct. It is looking very fine. We can also upload our logo in the software. So the 340 return. You can also add your customer details here, and a product. You can also, for example, if you don't have a product and you didn't add your product, you can also add your product on the front screen. Like I add a product for quick product, like for example test 1 to 3, and the unit is piece, category charger, alert quantity 1. We go down, we purchase 50, 100, we want to sell it 100, and we count our stock and it is priced as 75 quantity, and here, and we save it. There is a quick product added in our software, and it is also present here. Okay, we can also make a bill 1 2 3 4 5 quantity. So if we refresh it, we also look at this product at the right side. Yes, this is present. The picture we did not add it. You can add also a picture from product list, product section. we can also show our stock here, like this is our stock. We sold one quantity of this stock and we did not sold this stock quantity, so that's why it is becoming showing a 0. Everything is present in our software, everything is present. We also can create a warranties, brand, categories, units, a lot of modifications. So I have to saying you a goodbye because the time is very increased for this video. So I think I have tell you everything, every basic knowledge of the software, how we install it locally successfully and how we install it without any errors, how we get rid of any local restrictions, and the much more things, presenting the software and the presenting the software features. So I'm saying you just goodbye, and if you have any problem, any question, you can ask our AppLay representative, and hopefully we will answer soon for your query. And goodbye, have a good day.